Are you ready for a porch makeover? I am. It's just that time. Take a look at the before. Soon you'll see the glorious after. I'm going to work on this today. It needs a good scrubbing and cleaning. And then I'm going to prime the floor and I'm going to do some stencil work. I'm going to create a design on the floor with my paint colors. As you can see, this porch is in need of a lot of TLC and it has a lot of cracks. Whatever paint they used the incorrect paint to do this project and they painted it white. Originally, if you can see even some of the cracks, it's a green color and that's exactly what I'm going to paint it. You can see right here, I know you can't tell, it's gonna look black, but this is a green color and I found this color in the basement, so they probably covered it up and kept a can of it. So I'm gonna repaint it again, that color. And this is the situation in the porch. It's all cleaned as best as possible, but look at this. So here, when I lifted up the rug, I realized that it was kind of like not the same as over there. And it was kind of wobbly. And these people, when they redid this porch and painted it, they put silicone in between. And that's why the paint wasn't adhering as well, because the water was getting through. This is not what you do. You put something that adheres to wood so that water won't go in and rot the wood. So we will be replacing this wood at some point, this beam, but it's very difficult to do that right now. So I'm just going to fill it with some wood, plastic wood, and then remove this silicone, fill it with some plastic wood, restore it a little bit, and then prime it, and then it'll be prepped to do the whole thing. Let's assess the situation. This is the area by the stairs that needed repair and a lot of restoring. We did that. Now it's primed with some paint. I'm letting it dry so I can get the rest of the porch green. So by the time I get to there, it'll be dry. Okay, so here we go. I did all around before I start painting. That's the first coat, and not too bad, this section. I mean, remember, eventually we're gonna get these two beams replaced, so not bad at all. Ice cream after hard work. So far, we had to wash it, then prime it, then fix the area by the steps that was kind of rotten and nasty, and fill it with some wood filler and repair some damage. Then prime that and then wait for it to dry. Now this is the final coat of the green paint. I did one coat. First I did the trim all around, then I did one coat, then I did a second coat, and now it's drying. I also put a tape there so that the mailman does not walk into my porch. So that phase is complete. The next phase is after this has been 24 hours dry. I will try to do the stencil. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish my ice cream and relax. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.